Go on. Oh, hey.
Oh, how was she?
Oh, she was great. She's just playing. For about an hour, she's been playing with her little pet chaps by herself. I played with her for a little bit, but then I had to get some stuff done. I cleaned up the house a little bit for you guys.
Oh, wow, thanks.
Yeah, I knew that you guys would be really busy today. So, oh, thanks. Did you clean up my room for me? Well, yeah, but I didn't really know where to put your stuff. Oh, that's fine. Well, I have to be going. I'm gonna go get my coat. When should I see you guys again? Monday?
That seems fine.
Yeah, 'cause we're not really gonna be busy tomorrow. Okay, let me say bye to Ash. Bye, Ash. Bye, Jessie. Oh, hi, you're back already.
Yeah,
So, did you meet a boyfriend?
actually, yes, I did.
Oh, is he cute?
He looks kind of like me. He's a fox.
Ew. Bye, I gotta go.
Bye.
Hugs. Oh, don't forget me. Hugs.
Go to bed, Ash.
Oh, why? I want to keep playing.
It's your bedtime.
Ugh! Rouge, can you help me get up? Okay, fine. Hop on. Yay. I'm not meant for this stuff, you know. Thanks. Gotta get ready for my date. Luckily, I'm already wearing what I need to wear.